Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare this healthy drink together, which is cucumber, ginger, and lime. So let's dive into the video. So I'm dicing my cucumber to make it easy for the blender. So just watch and see as demonstrate on this video. I do the same thing with the ginger. I also cut it into little pieces. The next thing is to put it on my blender to blend. So they're already in the blender and I'm adding water to make it easier at the same time to give us the juice which we want. So just blend. Make sure it is smooth so that you can benefit all. I am done with the blending. I'm going to strain the juice out of the fruit. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, you are enjoying this video. Of course you are. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to all your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video. Let's continue. It's a little bit difficult for the filter, so now I'm just supporting the filter, which I'm using my turning stick to turn it to remove all my juice, of course. It is ready, guys. Let's enjoy it together. Cheese. The next thing, I just add some ice into the juice. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Anything you think about this recipe, just let me know in the description box. Bye.